Mastering parallel structure. Give your English sentences a perfect balance. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to discuss an important technique that can help your English sentences become clearer, more engaging, and more professional. This technique is called parallel structure. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it is, why it's important, and how to use it in your own speech and writing. Parallel structure, also known as parallelism, is a technique in grammar that involves using the same pattern of words or the same grammatical structure in a list, a series, or a pair of ideas. This makes your sentences easier to read and more rhythmical, creating a pleasant flow. For instance, let's consider the sentence, I love reading books, playing the guitar, and cooking. Notice how each activity listed follows the same structure. A gerund, a verb ending in ing, followed by a noun or no noun at all. This is parallel structure at work. Parallel structure is more than just a grammatical nicety. It can greatly enhance the clarity and power of your English. Firstly, it makes your sentences clearer. When the items in a list or pair share the same structure, it's easier for the reader or listener to understand that they're all part of the same group or idea. Secondly, it makes your speech and writing more engaging. Parallel structure creates a rhythm that can make your sentences more memorable. Lastly, it makes your English more professional. Proper use of parallel structure is a hallmark of good writing and speaking, and it can make a big difference in formal settings such as presentations or academic essays. Let's now take a look at some examples of parallel structure and some common mistakes to avoid. Correct usage. She likes dancing, singing, and painting. Incorrect usage. She likes to dance, singing, and paints. In the incorrect sentence, the three activities don't follow the same structure, making it sound jarring and incorrect. Another example. Correct usage. The teacher said that the student was diligent, intelligent, and capable. Incorrect usage. The teacher said that the student was diligent, intelligent, and he has capability. In the incorrect sentence, the final item in the list doesn't match the form of the first two items, making it sound awkward. The best way to get the hang of parallel structure is through practice. When speaking or writing, try to be conscious of when you're listing or pairing items or ideas, and make sure they follow the same grammatical structure. For example, if you're listing actions you're going to take, you might say, I will research the topic, write a draft, and edit my work. All three items in the list are in the same form, giving the sentence a pleasing rhythm and clear meaning. That brings us to the end of our discussion on parallel structure. Remember, this isn't just a grammar rule. It's a tool that you can use to make your English clearer, more engaging, and more professional. Keep practicing and you'll start to see the difference in your English. As always, we hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning!